सो थँक्यू रजनी फॉर डिलिव्हरिंग अ वंडरफुल सेशन. आणि तुम्हाला आता मला विचारावं लागेल की नाशिकची मिसळ बरी का पुण्याची?
So I will always go for Pune only because I know there's a debate going on की exactly मिसळ आहे कुठली, but I will go with Pune only.
अच्छा ठीक आहे, डिसाइडेड नाशिक इज बेस्ट. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द अनदर क्वेश्चन.
Okay.
How was you attend so many events, right? Conferences as well. How was your experience different with Google Cloud Community Gandhinagar
Okay.
and IS?
So honestly, I'll tell ki I have been to many tech conferences. Okay. So, but the kind of organization that you guys have done, and I can say about the management thing, and the volunteers are so sweet to all the speakers, and especially you and the another co-organizer. So you guys are so good with us. So I can say the treatment that you are giving as a speaker to me is really overwhelming for me. So and also considering the management that you have done is really very good.
अच्छा, तो जितने लोग सुन रहे हैं ऐसा, मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम हो तो मेरे को ऐसा देना. Did you recall any interaction with students or professionals? Because as you know, there are so many professionals who came today.
Yes.
So did you get a chance to interact with anyone or anything that you can recall?
Yes. Actually, 1-2 students approached me at the starting of the session. So they were basically they were interested in cloud and DevOps. So being students, they are looking forward to getting started with cloud and DevOps as their first career choice. So I told them later on they can connect with me so that I can provide them the proper roadmap. So I'll be connecting with them later on.
Okay, and because everyone wants to be content creator and people wants great following, and Rajani has a very great following, and later she's going to teach me as well.
Definitely.
So what is the one thing that a content creator should follow to be a consistent on any social media, not just on LinkedIn, but yeah.
Okay.
So what the steroid, right?
Steroids.
DevOps and steroids. I'm promoting you as that as well.
Okay.
मैं वो सब मिक्स कर रहा हूँ. So what is the secret recipe for that?
Okay, see, ऐसे कोई सीक्रेट रेसिपी तो नहीं है, बट वॉट थिंग वर्कड इन माई फेवर आई से इज बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट. ओके, सो व्हेन आई हैड स्टार्टेड कि I'll get into cloud and DevOps. So what I used to do, so whatever, suppose if I'm learning Docker today for day, and I learned 2-3 topics of Docker today. So मैं चुप नहीं बैठती थी सिर्फ सीखने के बाद. So I used to go and write something in my language, in my own words, whatever things I understood. So that way I used to write stuff, blogs and stuff. So earlier I had started this content creation with blogging only on Medium. So I used to write the blog, and one thing differently I did when I used to post about that blog on my LinkedIn. Okay, so suppose if आपने लिखा है Docker के ऊपर एक blog and you are just writing on LinkedIn, you are just writing a post कि this is the XYZ topic and this is the blog, this is the link. So this way usually people do post, most of the people do post.
sense.
But what I used to do कि suppose if Docker पे है blog, तो मैं एक meme बनाती थी उसके ऊपर, whatever concepts are there, तो उसके ऊपर एक meme बनाओ, नहीं तो फिर meme ढूंढो relatable, and all the things name of the blog, link for the blog, and उसके साथ मैं एक meme डालती थी. So that worked good because meme देखा तो people आ जाते हैं कि okay what's the meme. So अगर meme देखा है तो ऊपर भी देखेंगे कि ऊपर क्या लिखा है.
अच्छा.
So that's how I started, and वो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा काम किया.
बस entertainment चाहिए, content में भी लोगों को entertainment चाहिए.
Gain the attention of people, right?
मैंने दो लोगों से टिप्स लिए थे, मैं डाला और it worked.
हाँ, right, it works.
इवन हमारा Instagram अकाउंट देख लो, हम लोगों ने इतने फनी रील्स डाले हुए हैं.
वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ, बहुत अच्छा मैंने.
तो वो एक हमारे फेवर में हो गया. बट एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा बातें करना, लेकिन उतना टाइम नहीं है. बट नेक्स्ट टाइम थोड़ा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग आप पॉडकास्ट करेंगे. बट थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग. आई होप यू हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम. और आगे अभी 1-2 दिन हुआ आप, राइट? आज और कल तो घूमो फिरो, जलेबी फाफड़ा खाओ. अगर हमारे कल 1-2 प्लान्स है, विल डेफिनेटली टेल यू. आणि मंडळ आपला आभारी आहे.
ओके, थँक यू फॉर इन्व्हाइटिंग मी.
थँक्यू सो मच. हात मिला लो.
अरे
क्लोजिंग.